Welcome everybody to my channel Sujit's Chem Biotech. Today I discuss about the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. It is very important reaction for us for our class 12 exam as well as all India exam like NEET, JEE Main, ICAR exam. If you like this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and put the bell icon. Now in this video I discuss about the following points. These points are definition of Cannizzaro reaction and then example of the Cannizzaro reaction. Third point is very vital, mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. Along this point we discuss also mechanism of crossed Cannizzaro reaction as well as intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Now, very most vital point is number three, mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. Let us talk the first point about the definition of Cannizzaro reaction. Let us talk what is Cannizzaro reaction. When aldehydes compound having no alpha H atom. Very important point, having no alpha H atom, when heated with concentrated NaOH or KOH solution, then they undergo a special reaction which is known as self-oxidation reduction reaction to give equivalent amount of primary alcohol and salts of carboxylic acid. This reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. Let us take to some example of aldehyde compound which have no alpha H atom. For this purpose, we take two examples. The first one is formaldehyde, which is HCHO. Now the functional group is CHO. No carbon atom attached to this functional group. So formaldehyde molecule does not contain alpha carbon atom as well as alpha H atom. For this reason, formaldehyde molecule undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. My second example is benzaldehyde, where CHO attached with an aromatic carbon, sp2 hybridized aromatic carbon. This aromatic carbon is alpha carbon. Here alpha carbon present, but alpha carbon does not have any alpha H atom. So benzaldehyde molecule does not have alpha H atom. For this reason, benzaldehyde molecule can undergo Cannizzaro reaction. In my video, I discuss about the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction involving formaldehyde and benzaldehyde only. Now, let us take some example of Cannizzaro reaction. In my first example, where formaldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction, we have taken two molecules of formaldehyde. Now, when it heated with 50% NaOH solution, then one formaldehyde molecule undergoes oxidation to form sodium formate and another molecule undergoes reduction to form methyl alcohol. Similarly, when benzaldehyde molecule undergoes Cannizzaro reaction in presence of 50% KOH, then one benzaldehyde molecule undergoes oxidation to form potassium benzoate and another benzaldehyde molecule undergoes reduction to form benzyl alcohol. In Cannizzaro reaction, half portion of the molecule, half amount of molecule undergoes oxidation and half amount of molecule undergoes reduction. Actually, here acid will form, but in presence of NaOH solution, we cannot obtain acid, we obtain salt of acid. Actually, formic acid obtained here, but actually we obtain sodium formate due to presence of alkali present in the solution. Let us talk about the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction involving formaldehyde. Now, mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction involving formaldehyde. When formaldehyde undergoes reaction, then it forms one molecule of sodium formate and one molecule of methanol. This conversion of formaldehyde to sodium formate and methanol in Cannizzaro reaction involves three mechanistic steps. In first step, nucleophilic attack on the carboyl carbon atom by hydroxide ion to give tetrahedral intermediate, which actually a monoanion of Zem diol. Now let us see that molecular formaldehyde and nucleophile HO minus attack the electrophilic carbon, carboyl carbon, and C double bonded O pi bond after breaks to form a tetrahedral intermediate having structure HCH in above the bond O minus and below the bond present OH group. This is known as tetrahedral intermediate A, anion of Zem diol. So at first formaldehyde can form a tetrahedral intermediate. This process is very fast in nature. Attack of nucleophile to the electrophilic carbon involves very fast step. In second step, tetrahedral intermediate A release a hydride anion H minus, and this hydride ion attacks the second molecules of formaldehyde. Now let us take how this step occurs. O minus form CO double bond. This CH bond breaks takes place. This H atom releases with its electron as hydride ion, and this hydride ion attacks the carbon carbon of second molecule of formaldehyde. As a result, CO pi bond will break. The transfer of hydride ion from tetrahedral intermediate A to another molecule is very slow one, so it involves in rate determining step. As a result, we've obtained a methoxide ion HCO minus, methoxide ion HCH, then O minus, and one molecules of formic acid. The formation of the methoxide ion and formic acid involves in rate determining step, very slow step. In third step, rapid proton exchange takes place. Now this formic acid release one H plus ion. Because this is acid, it is H plus ion donate. This H plus ion attached with O minus ion to form methanol, and formic acid converts to formate anion. This formate anion combines with Na plus to form sodium formate. As a result, we obtain sodium formate and methanol as the end product when formaldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction in presence of concentrated NaOH solution. In this three step, formaldehyde converts to sodium formate and methanol by Cannizzaro reaction. This is the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. In this above three step, step 2 is important, where transfer of hydride ion takes place from tetrahedral intermediate to another aldehyde molecule, and this step is very slow step, so it is rate determining step. This is the mechanism how formaldehyde converts to sodium formate and methanol. Now let us talk about the mechanism of when benzaldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction. When benzaldehyde undergoes Cannizzaro reaction, then it forms sodium benzoate and benzyl alcohol. In first step, nucleophilic attack on carboyl carbon by the hydroxide ion to give a tetrahedral intermediate A. Now this HO minus nucleophile attack the carboyl carbon of benzaldehyde molecule to form a tetrahedral intermediate having formula PHC single bond H O minus OH. This is tetrahedral intermediate A. This is very fast step. Now in second step of mechanism, this tetrahedral intermediate releases a hydride anion, H minus anion, and it attacks the second molecules of benzaldehyde to give benzoic acid and anion of benzyl alcohol. This is very slow step and involves in RDS. Now, in this step, O minus at first forms CO double bond. After the formation of CO double bond, CH bond break takes place. This H atom releases with its electron, that means hydride ion. This hydride ion attacks the another molecule of benzaldehyde, and as a result CO pi bond breaks takes place. After attacks this hydride ion to another molecule of benzaldehyde, we obtain benzoic acid and anion of benzyl alcohol. This is a very slow step, and this step is rate derivative step of Cannier reaction. In third step, rapid proton exchange takes place because benzoic acid acts as acid. It releases this H plus ion, and this H plus ion attach with O minus ion to form OH. As a result, we obtain benzoate anion and benzyl alcohol. This benzoate anion combines with Na plus cation to form sodium benzoate. In this way, benzaldehyde undergoes Cannier reaction to form sodium benzoate and benzyl alcohol. This is the mechanism. My next topic is mechanism of crossed Cannier reaction. Now, what is crossed Cannier reaction? Where starting material are taken of two aldehyde molecules, they are different in nature. Now we take formaldehyde and benzaldehyde as a starting material. Now after the reaction, we obtain a salt of acid and alcohol. Now one molecule undergoes oxidation and another molecule undergoes reduction. Now between formaldehyde and benzaldehyde, which molecule undergoes oxidation? We know formaldehyde undergoes oxidation to form sodium formate, and benzaldehyde molecule undergoes reduction to form benzyl alcohol. Now there is a question arises, why formaldehyde undergoes oxidation and benzaldehyde undergoes reduction? Why not opposite reaction takes place? To understand this question, we have to show the following picture. Between formaldehyde molecule and benzaldehyde molecule, nucleophile is ready for attack the carboxyl carbon atom. Now we have to understand which carboxyl carbon atom between formaldehyde and benzaldehyde is more reactive. Now in benzaldehyde, a phenyl ring attached to carboxyl carbon atom. This phenyl ring shows plus R effect, and this plus R effect of phenyl group deactivates the carboxyl carbon in benzaldehyde molecule, because this phenyl ring shows plus R effect. So this carboxyl carbon is less reactive. On the other hand, in formaldehyde, the carboxyl carbon attached with two H atom. This H atom has neither plus I or plus R effect. So this carboxyl carbon is much more reactive in compared to benzaldehyde carboxyl carbon. So hydroxide ion ready for attack. Now there is a question, from which molecule hydroxide ion attack? Now hydroxide attacks the at first formaldehyde molecule, because this molecule is much more reactive. So at first nucleophile HO minus attack the formaldehyde molecule, and then the reaction proceeds in the following way. Now in first step, formaldehyde attacked by nucleophile HO minus to form a tetrahedral intermediate A. In second step, tetrahedral intermediate A releases a hydride ion. How? O minus can form CO double bond. Then CH bond breaks. This H atom releases with its electron as hydride. This hydride attacks the carboxyl carbon of benzaldehyde molecule, and CO pi bond breaks takes place. to form anion of benzyl alcohol and formic acid. In third step, formic acid acts as acid and releases H plus ion. This H plus ion attached with O minus ion to form benzyl alcohol PaCH2OH, and formic acid will form formate anion. This formate anion combines with Na plus cation present in the medium to form sodium formate. This is the mechanism how in a cross Cannizzaro reaction, when formaldehyde and benzaldehyde undergoes reaction, then formaldehyde undergoes oxidation to form sodium formate and benzaldehyde undergoes reduction to form benzyl alcohol. My next topic is mechanism of intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Now, which molecule undergoes intermolecular reaction? When a molecule contains two aldehyde group, then this molecule undergoes intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. For example, glyoxal having molecular formula CHO. Let us suppose this black color CHO undergoes oxidation to form sodium formate of acid COONA, and this red color CH group undergoes reduction to form alcoholic part, that is CH2OH. Now, in a molecule having two CH group, then in the molecule Cannizzaro reaction takes place and hydride transfer takes place. So this type of reaction is known as intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Let us take the how this intermolecular Cannizzaro reaction will take place. Let us see the mechanism of this reaction. In first step, the hydroxyl ion attacks the CH group to form a tetrahedral intermediate. In second step, C double bonded O formation takes place and CH bond breaks. This H atom releases with its electron as hydride, and this hydride atom attacks the same molecule and another part of CH group. As a result, CO double bond pi bond breaks. Now this H atom comes from molecule from one end to another end. So this type of reaction is known as intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. As a result, we obtain one COOH group in another end, and in other end the CH2O minus group. This COOH group acts as acidic part. Since it is acid, so it's this proton OH group H plus, and this H plus attached by O minus to give an alcoholic group. After proton transfer, at last we obtain sodium salt of glycolic acid from glyoxal. This is how glyoxal converts to sodium salt of glycolic acid by intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. That's the total topic of my video. This is the total topic. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Sujit's Chem Biotech, and if you like this type of video, then please subscribe my channel and put the bell icon and like, comments and share of my videos topic. Thanks again for watching my YouTube channel, and thanks all of you. Okay.